Spray KLEEN Plus Encapsulating Bonnet and Traffic Lane Cleaner delivers effective performance in low moisture processes. This is possible through the exclusive EPT encapsulation technology, which surrounds and encapsulates soils and then dries them to a non-sticky powder to be easily vacuumed out. Spray KLEEN Plus cleans quickly and eliminates the need for additional rinsing. The non-butyl, water-soluble solvents rapidly penetrate oil, grease, and dry soils. The neutral pH base does not contain anti-static agents, defoamers, or optical brighteners, making it safe for all carpets while also eliminating discoloration problems from wicking.